Hey guys, welcome back to the Santos collection. I have a DIY video today. I had to do some maintenance on my weed whacker, and I thought I'd share a common practice that everyone should do with your lawn equipment. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly go through what we're going to do today, and then I'll let you guys enjoy the time lapse of me doing the video. So as you can see here, I'm taking everything out of the packaging that I ordered on Amazon. As you can see, we got some fuel lines, a spark plug, a fuel filter, air filter, and a new primer bulb. As you can see, this is all you need to do your maintenance on your weed whacker. Recommend is doing this yearly. However, it depends on how much you use your weed whacker. If you're a professional, or if you're just like me, just a typical home user, once a year is okay, just to keep everything running smoothly. So at this point, I'm going to begin by taking apart the weed whacker. You guys can follow along and see what needs to be done in order to update your weed whacker. So let's go ahead and begin the time lapse. So as you can see here, we're at the end of the video. The last thing that we need to do is just go ahead and test. So you go ahead and prime it and do a few pulls. Proper fuel, proper spot. Ready to do some things on the yard. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I do thank you for coming on my channel. Please check out my other videos of my car builds, or if you like any other videos like this, I'll continue making them. Thanks.